Danielle, thank you. Time now 7:03, and continuing our coverage of these strong winds expected to stick around the islands today. And KIT4's Aaron Coogan joins us live right now with conditions from Oahu's North Shore. Aaron, how's it looking out there?
Yeah, hey, good morning to you, Leah. Well, it's really better to put into perspective just how strong these winds are. When it is a little bit lighter out, I want to show you right behind me. I'm going to try this again, jump behind the camera, show you the impacts of how strong these winds are. Take a look. This is right at the mouth of the entrance of Waimea Bay Beach Park, this fallen tree. You can see right where it snapped at the top right here, and then right next to it, some more fallen branches there. Things you don't want to get hit by if you're heading to Waimea Beach. But of course, with both high wind warnings and wind advisories in effect around the state, definitely some active winter weather we are experiencing. And of course, our weather teams have been tracking these powerful winds throughout the course of the week. Just yesterday, we saw upwards of a couple thousand power outages on Oahu alone. And the sheer strength of these winds keeping first responders on their toes, calls of downed trees, power poles, always a present risk in the face of wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. And again, that's what we're experiencing, and we are expecting to see again throughout the island chain today. State emergency personnel warning both residents and visitors that these are not isolated events and should be actively prepared for.
We're right in the middle of what we call our wet season or our winter storm season. We do project in conversations with our state partners and the National Weather Service to be an active wet season. So we should expect more of these type of wet systems impacting us with heavy winds. And as we start to look forward to hurricane season, starting to build your kit now, no matter where you are on the islands, and taking that opportunity just makes you better prepared.
Reminders as we head into today, of course, drive and travel with caution, tie down any loose items outside and around your home, and take those extra precautions throughout the end of the day heading into the weekend. Of course, we're going to be tracking those weather conditions, those windy conditions here on the North Shore and throughout the state in studio with Davey throughout the day. For now, reporting live on Oahu's North Shore, Aaron Coogan, KITV4 Island News.
Thank you, Aaron. Make sure you're staying safe out there.